Here at Acura Pickering, we have a Drive Shield certified 2015 Honda CR-V Touring all-wheel drive. Here's a quick look at the outside of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has memory seat functions for 2 different drivers. It has power mirrors, locks, and windows with an automatic driver's side window. It has power seating and lumbar support, full leather interior, a sunroof up top, and seats 5 passengers with 2 seats in the front and 3 seats in the back. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls with adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. It also has AM, FM, and XM radio, a CD player, USB inputs, HDMI inputs, Bluetooth audio, smartphone connection. It also has a navigation system. We have our side view camera and rear view camera with 3 different viewing modes. This is the normal view, the top-down view, and the wide view. There's also dual climate control, push to start engine, heated seating, and many more great features.